guys, look at this. This is a overwrapped plantain, and instead of roasting it, I blend it. This is what came up from. So from here, we're gonna make it so this. So coming to this, just imagine how you can save. It's very great. So look how we do it. I'm gonna make it like this. I will pour it right. It becomes solid. I just had some flour on it. So look at it right here. I'm gonna make it a pop. It's gonna come out so well and taste so good. So just want to show you guys how you can save and make this one house really good. Believe me, I used to like throw away all ripe, overripe plantain, but now I just make it out, and it's really good, really good. So just want to share that for you guys. You have overripe one, just blend it, and blend it, get a little light, and just add some flowers on it, and then you can come out very great. All right, you have a great day. Enjoy.